Welcome to this episode of Learn Kubernetes with Google. My name is Bowie Du, and I'm a software engineer at Google. In this session, we will look at how to use the Gateway API to load balance traffic to a TLS HTTPS application. This presentation assumes basic knowledge about Gateway, so please take a look at the other Learn Kubernetes topics on Gateway if you're not familiar with the basics. Suppose we have already configured a basic Gateway load balancer using Gateway and HTTP route. This works great for our acme-public website that's available over HTTP. But now we want to put the Acme store online, and it should only be accessed via HTTPS. This diagram shows the end result we want. We want to attach a certificate, in this case a Kubernetes secret, to the gateway listener on 443, which is the HTTPS port. We also want to attach the Acme store route to the same listener and route the traffic as appropriate. Let's see what changes are needed to make this happen. First, we create the secret. This is standard and not really relevant to Gateway, but for testing purposes, we use a self-signed certificate and install it as a secret into the cluster. Next, we add a new listener block to the gateway for handling HTTPS traffic on port 443. Using the TLS block, we configure a reference to the certificate we created. We intend to serve a different set of routes on the secure site and use a different label selector for the routes GW secure on. Now remember that any routes in the namespace matching this selector will be added to the gateway to be served from this port. Now we add the route for store that matches the label selector we defined in the gateway. Once this configuration has been applied and synced by the controller, you will be able to access the store path using only HTTPS from your load balancer. Now for some extra credit. Let's see how we can serve the same route using both HTTP and HTTPS. For example, acme-public should be accessible over both protocols. As routes are linked to gateways using label selection, this is an easy task. We just need to edit the label on acme-public, and now it is selected by GW secure on as well as GW public, and will be available over both HTTP and HTTPS. Note that the store route will still continue to be only served over HTTPS. I hope this presentation gave you a quick introduction on how to configure TLS in the Gateway API to securely serve your applications. To learn more about the Kubernetes Gateway API, check out some of the other videos in this series. Thanks for watching.